Yes, now charge redistribution in case of a conductors. That is the topic. Charge redistribution. Yes, suppose now, yeah, for a conductor, we are giving now some charge to that any one point. But after redistribution, where that particular charge? Yes, one small example. Suppose students, it is one conducting solid sphere. It is a conducting solid sphere. Now, charge we are giving. Charge, suppose now here if you give, or here, any place. Whatever the place you are going to give charge to our conducting solid sphere, due to electrostatic repulsion, that charge will go to only outside. Charge only outside only reside. Charge only outside. This is now conducting solid sphere case. Okay, now coming to conducting hollow sphere also. Okay, first conducting solid sphere, charge only resides outer surface due to electrostatic repulsion. Okay, this is first redistribution. Just wait. Second one, conducting hollow sphere. So this is hollow sphere, students. Hollow sphere having two surfaces. Inner surface is there, outer surface also. So inner surface radius A, outer surface radius B. Suppose if it is a thin hollow sphere, A equal to almost B. That's all. Yes, here some thickness now I taken for understanding purpose. So that's why A inner surface radius, B is outer surface radius. Now it is the center. Yes, for this now I am going to give the charge. Students, now here whatever the charge given, either here or here, any place, that charge also resides only on the outer surface, not on inner surface. No, not on inner surface, only on the outer surface. This is the first one. Okay, now next to redistribution. Suppose if I keep one charge here Q, suppose I am not giving any charge to this sphere now. Just I am keeping charge Q at the center of a hollow sphere. Center of a hollow sphere. Okay. Right. Now, due to this charge, how charge redistribution in our conducting hollow sphere? Yes, first minus Q resides on inner surface plus Q resides on outer surface. That means, students, here our hollow conducting sphere is electrically neutral. We are not giving any charge to that. Simply I am just keeping one charge small q at the center only. Just I am keeping that charge. Due to that charge, on inner surface, electric charge minus Q uniformly distributed. On outer surface, plus Q uniformly distributed. Still it is electrical neutral only. But only charges separated and then now distributed uniform. Yes, next. Here minus Q total charge, for this now proof also there. For example, students, now here I am taking one Gaussian surface. This is one Gaussian surface. Through this Gaussian surface, net flux, electric flux is a zero. Why zero? Because Gaussian surface you have taken inside the conductor. Inside the conductor, electric field 0. Integral E bar dot to ds E0 means electric flux also. Students, electric flux 0 means that side net charge by epsilon naught. Net charge also. But net charge, one charge is plus Q, but another charge automatically minus Q. Okay. So that's why on inner surface minus Q, but it is electrically neutral. That's why outer surface plus Q. Okay. This is now charge redistribution case of conductor. Another case. Come on, take this. Minus Q and then outer plus Q. Yes, students, now this is electrically neutral. Suppose not electrically neutral. Suppose now students here already plus Q is there. On this sphere, that is conducting hollow sphere, capital Q charge already we provided. At that time, this small q not there, suppose. This plus Q where now resided? Only on the outer surface, no doubt. Inner surface 0. This previously first case. Now, I am keeping one small q charge at the center. Due to this small q, minus q induced here. But outer surface how much? That is not plus q. That is capital Q plus Q. Why means this complete hollow sphere is not electrically neutral. Already charge Q is there. That's why after adding discharge and discharge, again you should get discharge. So that's why Q plus Q minus Q equal to capital. Okay, students, this is another case. Previously electrically neutral, now charged one also complete. So this is charge redistribution in the sphere case. Come and take this also fast. Another I will explain. Yes, so students, now up to now I consider thick hollow sphere. Thick hollow sphere, inner surface radius, outer surface radius, that is A comma B, both are different. Yes, now I am going to consider all thin spherical shells. Thin spherical shell means inner surface, outer surface is there, but now radius of inner surface, radius of outer surface, both are the same, that is now small r. Okay, now spherical shells, all thin spherical shells I am taking. Yes, so students, this is spherical shell number A. Its radius is small a. Students, it is inner surface, it is outer surface. Inner surface, outer surface having the same radius, that is small a. This is one spherical shell. All are conductors only. Spherical shell. Students, another one more spherical shell I am taking. This is another spherical shell. Yes, this radius is a. Yes, here one spherical shell, here another spherical shell. This is the B. And between A and B, nothing is there. Air gap. Yes, two concentric spherical conducting shells I consider. Now in this, charge redistribution is our topic. Just wait. Yes, previously these two are electrically neutral. Electrically neutral. Now I am keeping electric charge Q here. Then what happens, friends? Here minus Q, here plus Q, here minus Q, here plus Q. Yes, at the center plus Q, whenever now kept. On the inner surface of A, minus Q, uniformly distributed. because this charge is at the center I kept. And on outer surface of A plus Q, because it is electrically neutral. Yes, next on inner surface of B minus Q, on outer surface of B plus Q. And students, here one more point. Yes, here charge Q is at the center I kept. That's why minus Q uniform plus Q uniform, all are uniformly distributed. Suppose this Q is kept somewhat side here, means not at the center. Yes, on inner surface of A, this is the minus Q, non-uniformly distributed. Suppose Q is here now, nearby this surface more negative charge, and here now somewhat less negative charge induced. But net charge is minus Q. Yes, but that is non-uniform distribution on inner surface. But outer surface again now uniform, again uniform, again uniform. Only non-uniform here only, inner surface of A only will come to maintain electric field inside the conductor G. So this is students now another redistribution. Now I am just changing. Yes, previously A and B electrically neutral. So this is distribution of charges on all four surfaces. Now change is there. Yes, first to take that. Now I will change. Yes, instead of these two electrically neutral, yes, suppose students on this A, Q1 charge given, Q1 on this B, Q2 charge given, suppose. On spherical shell A, charge Q1 given. Yes, on 2B, Q2 given. Now I am keeping charge Q at the center. What happens? Minus Q. Total charge is a Q1. That's why Q1 plus Q. Yes, again minus of Q1 plus Q. But here total charge Q2. That's why Q2 plus Q1 plus. So here minus Q as usual, plus Q minus Q. But it is not plus Q again because net charge is a Q1. That's why Q1 plus Q. As it is Q1 plus Q from the Gauss law, this is minus of Q1 plus Q. But net charge on the outer spherical shell is a Q2. That's why Q2 plus Q1 plus Q. Suppose if you add these two, again you will get the same. If you add these two, again you will get the same. That means net charge not now changed. But the charge on inner surface and outer surface now combinedly redistribute. Yes, students, this is another example. Please now come on, fast take that. Yes, now again small change in this. Yes, so students, now small change. At the center Q kept. For this now spherical shell A, Q1 given. For B, Q2 given. Means as it is. But now outer spherical shell is grounded. Students, previously this outer shell is not grounded. Now it is grounded. Yes, whenever grounded, on this outer shell, this charge Q2 is there. No, that Q2 is non-constant. Because some charge may go to even the ground, or some charge now may come from the ground to this sphere. That's why law of conservation of charge not possible for the B. That means B is grounded. Yes, now, yes, what is now electric charge redistribution? Before this grounded, before keeping this Q, this capital Q1 and Q2. Now here charge I am keeping small q and also it is grounded. Then what happens? Just wait. Inner surface minus q as it is. Outer surface q1 plus q as it is. Why? Because this spherical shell is not grounded. It is now grounded. That's why here no any change. Now coming to inner, minus of q1 plus q. Minus of q1 plus q here inner surface, but outer surface we don't know. That's why I am assuming outer surface is a q1. Because this charge we don't know, that's why q1. And q2 previously we given, but it is grounded means law of conservation of charge here not valid. That's why this charge q2 known or unknown, no any matter. Yes, here q1 I am assuming. So your target q1 equal to question mark. Okay. Yes, so students, that q1 how to find out? Here q okay, here minus q okay, here q1 plus small q okay, here minus of q1 plus q also okay. This q1 equal to question mark. How to find means, students, here this spherical shell is grounded. Grounded means potential is a 0. So that's why potential on B equal to 0. But potential on this spherical shell, how to find out? Due to this q, due to this minus q, here cancel out. Because k q by b minus kq by b cancel, not written. Only this and this q1 plus q and again this minus means total k into q1 plus q by b minus k into q1 plus q by b plus k q, this is now q1 q1 by b equal to 0. So therefore direct answer q1 equal to 0. Students, here q1 equal to 0 came direct. So what is the meaning of q1 equal to 0? That means on outer surface of B no charge is there. But on inner surface how much? Minus of q1 plus q is there. So indirectly some charge, whatever the previously here charge is there, q2 charge now becomes minus of q1 plus q only. Means definitely some charge going to the ground. How much charge going to the ground? That is the second question. Yes, first charge redistribution minus q, this one and here, and this is 0. This is the first one. Charge redistribution. But how much charge going to the ground? Means initial charge minus final charge. Yes, how much charge going to the ground? I am calculating, students. Q2 minus of minus plus Q1. Students, this much charge going from spherical shell B to the ground. This much charge went. This is now another question. Here to here, how much charge now moving? This much charge. Yes, come on, take now fast. That is charge redistribution, another. Yes, so students, now another similar problem. Yes, now inner sphere and then outer sphere. Charge small q kept at the center. Q1 given to A, Q2 given to B as it is. Now, inner sphere is grounded, not outer sphere, students. Inner sphere is now grounded. Yes, which sphere grounded? On that sphere, law of conservation of charge concept not valid. Because some charge may go to the ground or may come from the ground. That's why law of conservation of charge not valid. But whatever may be the sphere connected to the ground, the potential of that particular conducting sphere is a zero. That is another hint. Okay, now because of this q here minus q, that is on inner surface minus q, no doubt. But outer surface we don't know because it is a grounded. That is q1. I am just assuming q1. This is minus q1. But outer sphere not connected to any ground. That's why this law of conservation of charge now valid. So that's why here outside q2 plus q1 is there. So now here unknown is a q1. q1 equal to question mark. How to find? Potential on A equal to 0. On A potential equal to 0. But on A potential how to find out? Yes, on the A, due to this q, students, kq by small a. Due to minus q also, minus kq by small a. So potential due to this q and this minus q cancel. So now only q1, k q1 by a, and due to these two addition is a q2 plus k capital q2 by b equal to 0. Equal to 0. So therefore students, q1 equal to minus a by b into q. So that is now q1 charge minus a by b into q2. After sending that side minus u. So that means inner side negative charge. Even outer side also negative charge because q1 equal to minus of a. So that's why minus a by b into q2 charge. Total how much charge there on now spherical shell A minus q plus that q1. So that means before now connecting to the ground, how much charge was there? Q1. Right now how much charge? Minus q plus q1. Means how much charge going to the ground? This is another question. How much charge going to the ground means present. That means no previous charge. Q1 minus of present charge. What is the present charge? Q1 minus q. But q1 already there. So that's why q1 also minus. So minus taken outside. Minus minus plus. q1 plus small q plus a by b into q2. So this much charge going to the ground. This much charge going to the ground. Yes, now see two questions. On inner surface of this shell minus q, okay. On outer surface, how much charge? That is the charge. On inner surface of B, how much this is? On outer surface, how much this is? How much charge going to the ground? This is. So in this now, this many questions now. Okay, students, here to here take now. Come on fast. This is no charge redistribution in case of a spherical concentric conducting shells. Yes, so students, now charge redistribution in case of a plates. Now spherical shells over, now plates I am coming. Yes, now students, now here conducting a plate. Yes, like this, now conducting plate, one surface and another two surfaces we have. Yes, only now cross sectional view only, and here I am drawing. So this is cross sectional view of one conducting a plate. This area capital A, this area also capital E. Now I am giving charge Q to this. Charge Q. This side Q, small q I am assuming. This side Q minus Q. This is one isolated conducting charged plate. The question is, this side how much charge distributed, this side how much charge distributed is the problem. So that's why left side I am assuming small q, right side Q minus Q. Yes, students, but we know inside the conductor electric field 0. This is the inside the conductor. How many electric fields there? Due to this Q, this side one electric field, how much? Q by 2a epsilon. Due to this charge, how much? Capital Q minus Q by 2a epsilon. So inside the conductor, two electric fields there. But what is the net electric field? 0. That means this electric field, both cancel out. So both cancel out means Q minus Q equal to Q. Therefore, small q equal to Q by. So students, now total charge Q given to this plate after redistribution of the charge. Yes, two outer surfaces will get equal charge, that is a Q by 2 and then Q by 2. Okay, this is first now redistribution case of a plate. Yes, all please take that. Next combination. Yes, so students, now I am taking two nearby charged conducting plates. This is A, it is B. Like this, students, A and B. Okay, right, A and B I have taken. For the A, Q1 I provided, for the B, Q2 I given. Q1 charge given to this plate, Q2 charge given to this plate. These two charges are before redistribution. Now we know in case of conductor, charge resides only on the surface. Surface 1, surface 2, surface 3, surface 4. On these four surfaces, what are the charges is the present question. Students, I am assuming here Q1, this side Q1 minus Q1. Why? Because law of conservation of charge, total Q1, that's why here Q1 minus Q1. Here Q1 minus Q1. Yes, next to here Q2. This side Q2 I am taking. This side Q2 minus Q. Just now I assumed Q1, Q1 minus Q1, Q2, Q2 minus Q. Just I assume. Now our target is to find Q1 value and Q2 value. So for that, students, one point here. Inside the conductor A, now I am taking. Yes, at this point, how many electric fields there? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 electric fields I am writing just wait. Due to this Q, Q1 by 2A epsilon naught. But due to Q1 minus Q1, this side, because away from the positive charge. Q1 minus Q1 by 2A epsilon naught. Due to this charge, Q2 minus Q2 divided by 2A epsilon. Due to this charge, Q2 divided by 2A epsilon. Right? So net electric field equal to 0 because it is inside the conductor. Net electric field inside the conductor is 0. That means right side electric fields equal to left side electric fields. So students, all 2A epsilon naught get cancelled first. So next to Q1 equal to Q2 plus Q2 minus Q2 plus Q1 minus Q1. Yes, after now simplification, students, Q1 equal to Q1 plus Q2 by 2 you will get. Q1 plus Q2 by 2. Just 1 second, students. Yes, now. Yes, students, now here Q1 value completed, Q1 plus Q2 by 2. Q1 plus Q2 by 2. Yes, the same now concept here I am using to find out Q2 also. Okay, just wait. In this, due to this Q1, Q1 by 2A epsilon naught. Due to Q1 minus Q1, Q1 minus Q1 by 2A epsilon naught. Due to this also, Q2 minus Q2 by 2A epsilon naught. Students, last this Q2, this side. Q2 by 2A epsilon. So now, here inside the B, total 4 electric fields. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again here also, resultant electric field 0. So that's why electric field inside the B is 0. Yes, again same concept. Right side electric field is equal to left side electric fields. Then Q2 equal to Q1, Q1 minus Q1 plus Q2 minus Q2. Q2 becomes again Q1 plus Q2. Yes, so students, on the first surface, Q1 plus Q2 by 2. Second surface, Q1 minus Q. Yes, I am going to find out Q1 minus Q1. So that is Q1 minus Q2 by 2 you will get. Q1 minus Q2 by 2, second surface. Now Q2 minus Q2, wait. Q2 minus Q2, Q1, yes, after no directly you will get Q2 minus Q1 by 2. That means indirectly minus of Q1 minus Q2 by 2. Yes, Q2 minus Q2, simply now subtraction of Q2 from capital Q. Q2 minus Q1 by 2, minus of Q. Yes, these all charges here I will draw, need not worry. Yes, so students, before redistribution, capital Q1, capital Q2 we provided. Now, after redistribution, this surface, how much charge? Q1 plus Q2 by 2. On this surface, how much charge? Minus of, yes, again direct. Q1 minus Q2 by 2. On this third surface, minus of Q1 minus Q2 by 2. Fourth one, Q1 plus Q2. Student, this is now redistribution of charge in case of parallel plates. Q1, Q2 originally provided. Q1 plus Q2 by 2 after redistribution. Q1 minus Q2 by 2, second phase. Minus of Q1 minus Q2 by 2, third phase. And the last Q1 plus Q2 by 2 is the fourth phase. These all four surfaces charges completed. Yes, one time.